Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to try and stop you from getting flashed by oncoming traffic with your Oracle triple LED fog lights. I'm going to be using some Hillman nylon spacers that are readily available from Lowe's. The spacers come in packs of 2, I use 6 packs total. I'll add a link to the description below. So let's install these spacers for this really easy solution. First you're going to want to remove the Oracle triple LED fog lights from the opening in the modular bumper. I just rested them on top of a shop stool, there was no need to unplug them or anything like that. We want to fully back out the bottom 2 bolts and then loosen the top 2 bolts. I used a 7/64 Allen wrench to get these undone. We're going to insert our new spacer in between the black spacer that's already there and the nut that holds the bolt together. And then you can loosely tighten it. Here I'm pushing the bolt back through, adding the black spacer back in place, and then going to add our new white spacer. And then screw the bolt back in place and tighten it down. You can now fully tighten the bottom 2 bolts. And once the bottom 2 are tight, you can go ahead and tighten up the top 2. And here you can see the difference now in the distance that the housing has been pushed away. And in this side view, you can see how much further down the LED bulb is angled. This is what it looks like with all 6 spacers installed. And you can see the distance that has pushed all of the LED housings away from the mounting bracket. And here from the front, you can see the additional distance that the LED housings are pushed away from the mounting bracket. And now you can simply reinstall the LED fog lights into the modular front bumper. On the left you can see the LED lights with the spacers installed, and on the right you can see that the LED bulbs are still shining upwards. Moving over to the driver's side, you just repeat the same process. Here I learned from the first side that you don't need to fully back out the bolt, that way you keep everything in place. You just pull the LED housing back slightly and then you can put your own new spacer in there. It makes it even quicker and easier. and then just tighten it all back down again. And repeat the same process for the other two LED housings. And then reinstall the fog lights in the modular bumper. Now you can see that the LED lights are not glaring, they're pointed down slightly, and they're not going to bother oncoming traffic. So there you have it, another really easy solution. You've got 12 spacers that you need to put in, 2 behind each light, and that'll just drop the light down. The light beam will start pointing down a little bit more, and you're not going to blind oncoming traffic, therefore they're not going to be flashing you. Really simple to do, took about 30 minutes total. If you liked the video or found it useful, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.